The most effective method to bring in cash with digital money in website design enhancement administrations. The cryptographic money market has encountered gigantic development and has begun to invade different businesses, including computerized advertising and site improvement, website optimization. Search engine optimization experts and offices can profit by the roaring digital currency market by offering website design enhancement benefits explicitly custom-fitted to crypto-based organizations or by incorporating digital currency into their current plans of action. By engaging with a global audience, utilizing decentralized financial systems, and embracing token-based ecosystems, this shift not only expands the reach of SEO services but also provides new ways to earn money. In 2024, bringing in cash with digital money for search engine optimization administrations includes tolerating crypto installments, offering particular website design enhancement administrations for cryptographic money projects, making tokenized search engine optimization stages, utilizing blockchain innovation, and investigating decentralized independent associations, DAOs, for local area-driven website optimization projects. 1. Tolerating digital currency installments for search engine optimization administrations. One of the simplest ways of starting bringing in cash with digital money as a website design enhancement specialist organization is to acknowledge crypto installments from your clients. Numerous organizations in the cryptographic money and blockchain enterprises like to involve computerized monetary standards for their exchanges, and by tolerating digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins, you open your administrations to a more extensive scope of expected clients. Advantages of tolerating digital money for search engine optimization administrations. Worldwide availability. Cryptographic money empowers organizations to execute worldwide without the requirement for cash transformation or managing global financial charges. For website design enhancement experts, this implies they can work with clients around the world, particularly in districts with restricted admittance to conventional banking. Lower exchange charges. Conventional installment processors like MasterCards and PayPal frequently charge high expenses, 3 to 5% per exchange, while crypto installments commonly include lower exchange charges, especially with specific coins or blockchain networks. Quicker installments. Cryptographic money exchanges can be handled a lot quicker than conventional bank moves, meaning web optimization experts can accept their installments immediately or in no time, further developing income. No chargebacks. Once confirmed, cryptocurrency payments are irreversible, eliminating chargebacks, which can be a problem with digital services like SEO. Apparatuses for tolerating crypto installments. A few stages can assist you with beginning tolerating digital money for your website design enhancement administrations, including Coinbase Trade, an easy-to-understand stage that permits organizations to acknowledge an assortment of digital forms of money. BitPay, a global processor for crypto payments that accepts Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins and can, if desired, convert payments to fiat currencies. BTC Pay Server, an open-source stage for tolerating Bitcoin installments without go-betweens, giving full command over your assets. Offering crypto installments as a choice positions your search engine optimization administrations as present-day, adaptable, and alluring to blockchain organizations and well-informed clients. 2. Offering cryptocurrency projects specialized SEO services. Cryptocurrency and blockchain projects have special SEO requirements because they operate in a highly competitive and rapidly changing industry. Website design enhancement experts who have practical experience in digital money-related web optimization administrations can cut out a productive specialty by aiding crypto projects work on their internet-based perceivability, rank higher in web search tool results, and draw in additional clients or financial backers. Key areas of website design enhancement for digital currency undertakings. Watchword exploration for crypto specialties. The digital currency space has explicit language and wording that is continually developing. Crypto projects can get assistance from SEO professionals in locating niche keywords with high value that are related to decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, blockchain protocols, and cryptocurrency exchanges. Focusing on lengthy tail watchwords that can drive more designated traffic to crypto projects. Content creation and streamlining. Educational content is a big part of the way crypto businesses explain difficult concepts to their customers. The creation of high-quality blog posts, white papers, and landing pages that are optimized for search engines to attract organic traffic are examples of SEO services. Particular substance procedures can zero in on crypto wallets, trades, token send-offs, or marking stages. External link establishment for crypto ventures. High-authority backlinks have a significant impact on cryptocurrency websites. Web optimization experts can construct backlinks from respectable crypto sites, news sources, or blockchain powerhouses to further develop the site's area authority and web index positioning. Laying out associations inside the crypto biological system is vital for effective external link establishment endeavors in this industry. Specialized search engine optimization for blockchain destinations. Numerous digital currency sites and stages are based on decentralized networks or have novel specialized structures. Web optimization specialists with a profound comprehension of blockchain innovation can streamline web page speed, work on versatile ease of use, guarantee site security, significant for crypto organizations, and execute diagram markup to upgrade the perceivability of digital currency-related rich bits and list items. By gaining practical experience in digital money website design enhancement, you can order higher expenses and position yourself as a go-to master in this quickly developing industry. 3. Sending off tokenized website design enhancement stages. One more method for bringing in cash with cryptographic money in the website design enhancement space is by sending off a tokenized search engine optimization stage. Businesses can use tokenization to create a digital token that represents ecosystem value, typically on a blockchain network. Tokenization could be used to create a decentralized marketplace for SEO professionals and businesses to trade services using tokens. The workings of a tokenized SEO platform. In a tokenized website design enhancement commercial center, organizations searching for web optimization administrations could buy tokens to pay for different administrations, for example, watchword research, external link establishment, or content improvement. These tokens could likewise be utilized to remunerate website optimization experts for getting done with responsibilities or accomplishing specific objectives, like positioning enhancements or expanded natural traffic. Advantages of tokenized web optimization stages. Decentralized admittance. Because tokenized platforms don't need any middlemen, SEO professionals and customers can talk to each other directly, saving money and speeding up transactions. Boosting execution. Tokenized frameworks can boost search engine optimization experts by tying rewards straightforwardly to execution measurements, for example, positioning upgrades or traffic increments, establishing an outcomes-driven climate. Making a local area. Token holders could decide on stage highlights, impending ventures, or association valuable open doors, making a local area-driven way to deal with search engine optimization administrations. For instance, SEO Pool, theoretical, could be a decentralized commercial center where website design enhancement administrations are tokenized, and organizations bid for search engine optimization work utilizing local tokens. These tokens could be traded for crypto, government-issued types of money, or reinvested into the stage for extra administrations. 4. Utilizing blockchain for website optimization administrations. Blockchain innovation can be straightforwardly applied to work on the straightforwardness and dependability of website design enhancement administrations. Blockchain's inborn straightforwardness permits website optimization experts to demonstrate the authenticity of their work, track progress, and keep an unquestionable history of their website optimization methodologies and results. Use cases for blockchain in website optimization. Following website design enhancement measurements, blockchain can store permanent records of search engine optimization execution measurements, for example, site traffic, watchword rankings, and transformation rates. This guarantees that SEO providers and customers alike will have access to an accurate and open record of the progress being made. Backlink audits that can be proven. One of the difficulties in web optimization is demonstrating the credibility of backlinks and keeping away from connect spam. A verifiable audit